Hello friends, today I want to talk about the snoring. Snoring is not just a noise problem, it's a serious condition than you imagine. Snoring happens when you have narrow nasal airway or throat airway. If you are frequently snoring and sleep apnea when during sleeping stop your breathing, this is a serious problem for your heart. With sleep apnea and snoring, you have maybe blood pressure or heart problems. If you have snoring and sleep apnea, you must see the soonest possible time, yeah, the surgeon. Thank you. See you.